and what's included and so forth. Okay, now to go over how to do a quick checkout. So on the day when you're going through the packages, now there's going to be plenty of other people, especially when it's open to the rest of the world. We've got to be a bit more quicker. And if you're, struggling to configure your package and you're spending, valuable minutes trying to configure your package, what we've done is we've created a little bit of a cheat sheet that we're going to we're going to message the group soon. Now, I'm going to send this. It's going to be by WhatsApp message. It's a Word document, but I'm going to send it normally by message. Let's say I want to go for, okay, this silver long, okay, silver long package. I'm going to put the link here. You're going to copy that link, okay? So even when I send it by WhatsApp, keep this in mind. When I send it by WhatsApp, don't click on the link, copy it, okay? Copy the link. Once I copy that, I'll come back to my Nusuk. I can even be on the dashboard page, okay? So it's not, I have to be inside this page. For example, I'm in the dashboard page. I just logged in on the day. You can even do this now as well. When I share the details, you can practice it. Come to the dashboard. It looks like this. All I do is I go into my top, I'm not sure if you can see it. I go to my top bar where it has the website area, go there, and I paste my URL, enter, and it will take me straight to the silver long page when it comes to the room configuration. Okay, it'll take me straight to there. I'll select my rooms, 2, 1, or whatever, and at least you can see a price and how much it'll cost. And then obviously from there, as you can see here, there's no next button. Okay, so we can get you as further as the room configuration. In terms of additional services, when you next go onto that page, nothing's required there. If no wheelchair, press next again, and then flights. So for the silver long package, flights will appear. You'll see group bookings from Sydney and Melbourne. You can select whichever one is available. Once you press next, it'll take you to transportation. You select the transportations that are required, and then you do the payment, checkout, and finished. Okay, so again, it might not seem like, obviously we can't jump all the way to here. We can't get to here. They don't allow that. So they've covered that up. But as further as we can get is the room configuration. So what we do recommend is those who are going to go for the silver long or the other packages I'm going to show soon, at least have this in your dashboard. So for example, go here on your top right, or depending on your computer, you'll just need to find your bookmarks. Okay, bookmarks, bookmark this tab. Okay, for example, I've already bookmarked it, so I don't need to again. Just name it HSR Silver Long or whichever package it is, and then done. When you press done, if I open this one here, see here, I've got on the top bar here, everyone can see my mouse. It's got here HSR Silver Short, HSR Silver Long, HSR Silver, HSR Global, Gold Global, HSR Comfort Long. For example, I can click on any one of these and it'll take me straight to that link, and it takes me straight to my room configuration. On the day, this will be very vital, so you can quickly select your packages, select your room type, and then next. Okay.